Hello, children. As per your routine, today is your science subject, so we have to learn about the topics of weather and seasons, chapter 13. So first, we have to know about what is the meaning of weather. Weather, it is one kind of condition, and it is depends on our atmosphere. Look, our Earth is surrounded by a layer of air which is called the atmosphere. Sometimes we are feeling very hot and sometimes we are feeling very cold. Why we have to feel this type of things? Because sometimes the air becomes hot and sometimes the air becomes cold. So these changes in atmosphere, it is known as the weather. Okay, so that means it is clear that weather depends on the atmosphere. Look at your book. Here I've given. You ever wondered why it is sunny in the morning time suddenly turn into the cloudy? Wondered means very strong about these things, because morning time we can see it is a very bright and very shining types of days. Suddenly it is turned into the cloudy and very bad types of day. So how can it's possible? It is possible for changes of the atmosphere. Okay, so this weather of days, so many types weather of days we have to see, like sunny days, cloudy days, windy days, and also rainy days. So on the sunny days the sun shines very brightly and it is we can feel it's very hot in those days. Cloudy days, on these days the dark clouds hide the sun and we can feel very cool and very we have to enjoy the pleasant weather. On the windy days the dry and strong wind blows like storm, and the strong wind blows away things far off. It is called the windy days. That means in those days wind blowing very strongly, and we can feel in those days very cool and also cold, right? And lastly, rainy days. In those days rain falls very heavily and makes puddles on the road. Remember that most